Ego is when one or both spouses allow pride. It brings in who wants to be right or who wants to control the other. Now, it makes pride more important than love, respect, communication, or teamwork. When pride dominates in marriage or in a relationship, it drastically weakens the marriage or a relationship. An healthy marriage strive when both of them bring down themselves, humble themselves, or brings or value more love, respect, cooperation among each other, understanding each other. When you reduce ego in a marriage or relationship, it does not weaken the relationship, it strengthens the marriage, and it brings peace among the both of you. It brings mutual respect than pride. Because pride will kill you. Pride will bring the downfall of marriage, which will lead to separation or divorce or violence. Thank you.